Alright, hello and welcome back to Schalke to Glory. Right, so between episodes I have sold some stuff that I got from Bronze Pack Method. There's not been any new evolutions. So yeah, let's just get into rivals. So let's just carry on from where we left off. So I'm 3 wins away from getting my rewards for the week. Oh, pardon me. So let's just carry on. There's been no team changes, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. Alright. $2,001 ping. Nah, fuck that. I'm not playing against the guy with fucking 1600 ping. Fuck that. Like, the servers are shit enough as it is. I'm not playing on 1600 ping. That'd be and all. $160 ping. It's pretty. It's shit, but it's not 1600 ping. Right, Grealish, don't know the striker and right winger, Tony Kroos, James Maddison, Gamade, Bruno G, best Bruno in the Prem, Chilwell, Lissandro, or the midget, Silva, Trent, and I didn't get who's his goalkeeper. Oh, no, I wouldn't have known that. Alright. Right, Karen on the spin, through to Polter. He plays it to. Moore played it to Polter, sorry. Fine. I'll put the fucking tackle in. Fucking EA bullshit again. Alright, Fairman makes the save. Now let's go long. Polter heads it to Templeman. I wanted to play the ball earlier. Why didn't it? Right, Schallenberg was who felt the pit. Baumgartel makes the tackle. Templeman. Why is it when I try and pass to Templeman, it's not making the pass when I want it to? Who fuck's sake, game? Oh, Fairman makes the save. Right. Ah. Fairman makes the save. Poulter sticks the ball in the back of the net to make it 1-1. Oh, was he offside? Oh, so fucking lucky. Fucking lag. Harriman! Over the bar. Wait, oh. Wasn't much I could do that. Thiago Silva should not be keeping up with Tobias Moore. That is completely fucking bullshit. How is Poulter getting bodied off the ball so easily? He has 92 fucking strength. Oh, right. 1-0 going into half time. Right. Akpom, you coming on. Do I want to make any other subs? No, just that. No. Just Akpom for now. Oh shit, right, sorry, that was an Instagram meme. Right. Well, of course tackling works just fine for him. What? I put the fucking tackle in game! Right. Berg plays it to Akpom, he plays it to Moore. That was a foul! And of course I don't get anything for it. Runner with interception to Akpom. To Karen, Cruz perfectly puts a tackle in. There we go. Karen has the ball to Akpom. Ah. Right. Oh, not a bad effort. What? I put the tackle in twice. Finally. Oh, and of course, as soon as I get the fucking ball, he wins it straight back. Because of course he would. Right. Akpom, yes! 2-1. Now let's see if I can hold this lead. I'm putting the tackle in game. Clear it. There we go. Alright, it was. Not the best pass. Schallenberg with the interception. Karaman. Some more. I tried to play it back. Fuck off, that was an offside. Fuck's sake. Of course, when it's my player, it's offside, but when it's my opponent's, it's not. Fucking wonder fucking brilliant game you've made, EA. I put the fucking tackle in. Right. Moore plays it through to Akpom. Templeman's Akpom some more. To Drago! Ah, fuck. His keeper saved it. Right. Ah. Oh. Right. Why didn't Akpom make the interception? Put the fucking tackle in there. Oh. Right. What? He wasn't offside. Fuck off, game. I'm putting the fucking tackle in. Oh, and of course it lags there. Because why the fuck wouldn't it lag when he's on the attack? Oh, was that offside? Oh, thank fuck. Of course the game lags when I'm on the defensive. You know, it never lags when he's on the defence though. Because why would it lag when he's on the defensive? Fucking brilliant. Fucking shit game. I'll put the fucking tackle in! Repeatedly! Fuck off, game! Fuck off, I did not deserve to lose that game.
Sexuals,
Hang on.
Jews, blacks, homosexuals, Jews.
That's what you heard earlier when I accidentally clicked on Instagram. Anyways, back to this godforsaken game. On mute. Right, let's go into game number 2. Ah, finally a reasonable amount of ping. Boniface, Millard, Dempsey, Reina, Berardi, Palacios, Grimaldo, Damian, Bonucci, Sildilia and Castiles. It's a decent team. Oh. Alright, there we go. Sorry, forgot to put the commentators on.
Ball is rolling, we're underway. This is the home side's team today. Cone Castells is the goalkeeper. Giovanni Reina plays with Domenico Berardi out wide, and they go with just one in attack.
Put the fucking tackle in.
Oh yes, all the practice pays off. Oh, against the bar.
Drogo clears.
Able to take advantage. A chance to get something going here. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore.
Come on, some more. Let's go. Right, let's go on the counter.
Making good progress here.
Right, more. All the way. Yes.
What a bright start it's been.
There we go.
And we're back underway at 1-0. Giovanni Reina. Got room to operate it here. A chance to cross here. How did they fail to score? That's one to ponder for a while.
Alright. Alright, let's hoof up the pitch.
Unable to retain possession. Plenty of open space here. and stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick to come.
Rodrigo plays it through to Kenan Karaman. Karaman! Ah.
Saved it.
Well, he's denied a solid goal there. It's fantastic reflexes.
Will the cross find Polter? Rodrigo! Ah.
Quality goalkeeping to deny what looked a likely goal.
Right.
Won back pretty easily there. Can he get the cross in?
Oh.
Defending. Into the box it goes. Well, the danger's still there.
Oh.
And ready for it coming his way. Pressure on. It'll be another corner. And it's not the best of clearances.
Oh.
Goalkeeper more than ready for it. And they go again with another corner.
Oh.
Always too high. It looked a good chance, but he couldn't keep it down.
Right. Yeah, let's clear it. What?
Brought to a halt.
He used his strength.
Domenico Berardi. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. This is a good run. Now can he pick out the right option? Just level it. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. He delivered and cleared well away from goal.
Oh.
Counter looks on here. Options available.
Ah.
Possession given away.
I put the tackle in. Why didn't I get the ball?
Now, puts it back.
Again, I put the tackle in. Why didn't I get the ball?
Plenty of that, but was never anywhere near.
Alright.
Looking at the stats, they'll be disappointed to be losing, as they have been good in the build-up.
Oh.
Gone through, they might be
Moore takes it through the defence. Moore! Ah.
very close, but hit too
That's
hard
fine.
to get the bend that was needed to score.
Need.
Promising looking attack this. Berardi. Oh, they looked in there. That's nicely cut out. Berardi.
Put the tackle in.
Nice cutback.
Fuck's sake. I put the fucking tackle in.
There's no longer. It's level again.
Ah.
Domenico Berardi. There's good width to this attack now. And into the box it goes. It stops there. Nothing at the end of it.
Ah.
For them to go now. Oh, he's given it away here.
Ah. That was a piss poor cross from me.
Reina just needs the composure now. Denied by some top quality defending. They found a way through.
Yeah.
Well
Polter.
finished.
Ah.
And that is magnificent defending. That's been out of play. It's a throw in.
Are we into Ouedraogo? Ah.
Dempsey. behind. Oh, that's how to win the ball. A chance now for a quick transition.
Ah.
Mallard. In behind, can he finish?
Ah.
And that'll do it. The end
Ah.
of the first 45 minutes here.
Wait, Act, come on for another game. Hopefully this works.
And the game restarts.
Right. Oh, why is it lagging now that I'm on the offensive? Oh, fuck's sake.
Mallard. Ball out. It's going to be a throw-in. Melvin Mallard.
I put the tackle in. Why didn't it let me change to Baumgart earlier? Oh, why is it fucking lagging now then? You lost your connection to your opponent. The Well, knowing this game, I probably would have gone on to lose that game anyway, even though I didn't deserve to lose it. Anyways, let's move into game number 4. Looks like I'll be playing 4 games in this episode. Right, let's get into game number 3. Foden, Nunes, Saka, Bruno G, Enzo, Bernardo Silva, Shaw, Diaz, Kimmich, Trent and Donnarumma. And it's a good team. Surprised he's playing Kimmich centre-back.
Hello to you from the arena out Schalke in the heart of the Ruhr Valley. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got a division rivals game on the way for you. How do you see this one going, Sue?
Yeah, cheers, guys. Great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off, though, and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully, I've not just cursed it.
The defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing. This is the visitors' team for today. Gianluigi Donnarumma is in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold starts with Luke Shaw in the fullback positions. Phil Foden plays. This has to be.
Poulter makes it 1-0.
Struck early.
Let's go. Right.
1-0. So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again.
Right.
Promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing.
Poulter plays it to Karaman. Karaman to Moore.
He's put it away,
Ah.
but
Oh.
the celebrations will stop there.
Ah.
That was so tight. You can see how frustrated he is, but he did finish it off well.
Well. Right. To temple. Right. Karaman plays it through the gap to Sebastian Poulter. Ah.
Now what comes next?
Oh. Karaman intercepts.
The ref allowing play to continue. Nunez.
Minsky wins the ball back. What is Schallenberg doing up there?
Guimaraes. Delivered towards the back stick. And unable to retain possession.
I put the tackle in. Oh, fuck off, game. I put the tackle in.
They're back level already.
Yeah, and you shouldn't be back level because I put the fucking tackle in.
And away we go again at 1-1. Good ball in behind. Now for the finish. It's in.
Yes.
A well-taken goal.
Yes, Kenan Karaman makes it 2-1. Lad, why do you keep pausing it after every goal I score?
And no wonder he's off celebrating. And the game restarts with the score now 2-1. Switched on and ready to intercept there.
Moore makes the interception to Poulter.
The crowd urging him to shoot. Good work to regain possession. Nunez. They could level it here.
I put the tackle in twice, game. Fuck off.
The lead lasting mere minutes, and we're all level again.
Fuck off.
So it's 2 each as the game restarts.
Right. Why didn't he pass it to Moore?
Easy.
Fuck's sake.
Now for the finish. Surely.
Karaman, Donnarumma makes the save.
One you'd expect to be made. Well, still nothing to split the two sides. Maybe that will change.
Bamgo,
Oh, good save.
Donnarumma saves Bamgo, his header.
Lovely headed goal.
Let's try whipping, let's whip it in again.
Another corner. Still could be something happening here.
Karen, Alright, another corner.
It was a great chance, but great defending too. Possession given away.
Karen, to Moore!
Seen all the way, and the save is made.
Another corner. William whips it in.
Darwin Nunez. There's a chance for them to go now. But not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position.
I put the fucking tackle in there.
Nunez. Now, can this be attacked? Good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? Great chance here.
Oh,
Well, plenty of power on the effort, but just wide. Goal kick it is. Perfectly anticipated. Really well won. He's beaten his marker here. Down nicely and in.
yes!
And it was always going to go in. And away we go again at 3-2.
There we go.
Free kick given here. A real chance to threaten the goal. And he's won the ball to stop the goal.
Of course Bamgo just tackled it to my opponent's fucking player. Because why wouldn't he?
It was put into the right area, but nobody able to capitalise. And somehow he's been denied. Superb work. There's a chance for the breakaway here.
Ah.
Guimaraes. In behind. Can he finish?
What?
And it's in.
Fuck off! This is some fucking bullshit.
Well, quite the game we're witnessing here. Can't help but feel there's more goals to come.
I put the tackle in. I put the tackle in, game! Fuck off!
Another in double quick time. So it's 4-3 now as the game restarts. And there's the whistle as the ref gives a free kick.
Fuck's sake.
And the first 45 minutes have
I
come
don't
and
deserve
gone
to be.
here at the
I do not deserve to be losing. Akpom, you coming on? You make a difference every game I bring you on.
So the second half kicks off. Now for the finish.
Akpom
It's
makes a difference every time. The best super sub in the fucking game.
Well, what a game. 4-4 now as we restart. What a chance here. And
Oh, great, of course.
as he completes
Because of course the game doesn't let me put the fucking tackle in.
And this unbelievable match starts once more at 5-4. He's in here.
I put the tackle in 3 times and I don't get the ball any of the 3 times I put the tackle in, because of course when I put the tackle in I don't want the ball.
In the right position to cut out the pass. Real opportunity. It's saved. Magnificent from the keeper.
Oh, that is a great save. It's so close to him. His reactions are quick, and that's really good goalkeeping.
Well, not quite fully away here. Well, it was looking good, but there it's ended. Counter-attack coming. Away they go. Little sloppy on the ball. Bernardo Silva just needs the composure now. Oh, it's still in there. And the keeper able to hold on to it at the second attempt.
Well, you can sense the relief. It's a fantastic initial save, though.
I put the tackle in.
Ref allowing play to continue.
What?
Referee spots the infringement.
What? There was no foul there. Fuck off, game.
What a superb attempt that was. We'd have been talking about that for a while had it gone in.
Certainly was, and I expected him to put that in the box. I think he caught us all off guard there, but what an effort that was.
Down nicely and in.
Ugo.
Great
Oh.
from the keeper to avert the danger. Fernandez. Pass was read and the ball has changed hands.
More.
Lovely weighted
To
pass.
Karaman. Karaman puts it wide.
Well, what a chance to equalise. He's just not clinical enough in front of goal.
Saka.
Or maybe the game doesn't want me to win.
Bernardo Silva. Good work to recover possession. Possession given away.
Schallenberg makes an interception to Akpom. Schallenberg intercepts it to Templeman, to Karaman.
That has stopped any potential danger. There's a chance for them to go now. And take advantage. Good work to regain possession.
Well, just listen to the atmosphere in here. The fans are doing their bit, trying to spur them on to this equaliser.
Why is it? Of course it fucking lags there. Because why wouldn't it?
Nunez.
Put the tackle in.
Could be now.
Oh, thank fuck Fairman made the save.
Showing his class there. He closes the angle down, makes himself big. It's a really good stop.
It's not the best of clearances. And
Oh, fuck off.
valuable breathing space for them now. Bernardo Silva. Luke Shaw. Now with Foden. Now to deliver a good ball in. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Nunez. This has to be. And that is a terrific stop.
Oh, his positioning is spot on. Really makes it difficult for the attacker. Stops an almost certain goal there.
The counter looks on here. Options available. And unable to retain possession. Nunez. He's hit that well.
Oh.
Brilliant work by the man in goal. That's a top stop. It's played in now. All won back pretty easily there.
Ah.
Play on is the referee's call. They could get caught out on the break here. Now for
I put the tackle in there.
still a chance off the keeper. Well, that's an own goal.
Oh, fuck off! How did he stick that in his own fucking net? That's such fucking bullshit. That was a foul.
Well, a bit of a clumsy challenge, and the ref blows for a free kick. What a save that was! And the flag's up.
What? He wasn't offside. Fuck off, game.
It's an amazing save. A turnaround in possession. Excellent positioning. There's a chance for the breakaway here. That's not a bad looking ball. Oh, that's been won really smartly. It's a free kick. The chance comes.
There was no foul there. Fuck off, game.
And that's it, all over here, and it's not a result that will send the majority of the crowd home happy.
Yeah, it was the nature
Oh,
of the
fuck off. The commentators can just fuck right off. I did not deserve to lose that game. I was putting the tackle in for multiple fucking points to stop his goals. Right. Let's go into the fourth and final game of this episode. Jesus, Vlahovic, Reina, Madison, De Bruyne, Kostic, Rico Henry, Chan, Kim Min-jae, Porro and Neuer. Strong team. Very strong team. Great.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Guy Mowbray, and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary. And the focus here is on division rivals action. Your thoughts on this game then, Sue?
Cheers, Guy. Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Now, can he get the crossing? That's
Oh,
nicely won to
of course
stop
they're
the
getting
threat.
fucking lags there.
This is the home side's team today. Manuel Neuer is in goal. James Maddison plays alongside Kevin De Bruyne in central midfield. And in attack, Gabriel... Oh, great save. Goalkeeping of the highest quality.
If he'd have scored there, that would have been fucking bullshit.
And somehow he's been denied. Superb work.
Right. To Ujogo.
Good work to recover possession.
Ujogo intercepts.
Well, we know how difficult it can be to
Right.
stop Kevin De Bruyne when he's playing at the top of his game. What should we expect today, Sue?
Yeah, he's so efficient in front
Why
of
wasn't Poulter making the run into the box, for fuck's sake?
The defence are going to have to remain focused for the full 90 minutes because he only needs one chance and he'll punish you.
Oh,
Has it to a
fucking button delay.
Vlahovic. Oh, good defending, just when it was looking threatening. Getting into a good position. Put in towards the front post. Well watched by the goalkeeper, read the flight nicely. Just a little out with the pass. It's gone out for a throw. That's gone out of play. It's a throw in.
Fucking lag. I'm pressing to throw the fucking... I was pressing to throw the fucking ball.
Crossover. Takes it on. Well, it's
Fucking lag.
but it's been placed just wide.
Why? Fucking... This game's servers are so fucking dog shit.
Set there.
Let me fucking lag.
Want to see a shot here. Just needs the composure now.
No, fuck off. I'm not playing this game. The lag is too fucking horrific. Fix the fucking servers, EA. Multi-billion-dollar company, my fucking arse. Right. Let's get into game the fifth, and this is going to be the final game of the episode, regardless of how bad the fucking lag is. Right. Right. Grealish, Boniface, Kvaratskhelia, Madison, Odegaard, Bellingham, Shaw, Acerbi, Smalling, Trent and Wojciech Szczesny in goal. Beatable team.
Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. My name's Guy Mowbray. I'm joined by Sue Smith in the
Well,
commentary position.
beatable if the servers don't shit the fucking bed.
Sue, what can we expect from the game then?
Thanks, Guy. Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start.
Fuck off with the lag!
Moving forward well. It's a pretty poor error, to be honest. Didn't have to do that. This
Oh
is how
fuck,
the
can the
home
commentators
side
fuck off? It's not my fault the game servers.
Chris Smalling.
What is Fairman doing so far out of fucking goal?
James Maddison plays alongside Martin Odegaard in central midfield.
Why? What the fuck? Such fucking bullshit. And of course the game fucking lags again. Nah, fuck this. I'm not playing another game because this lag is pissing me the fuck off. I'll play off camera. Alright. Well, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.